Here is the question. Who portrayed Bill Gannon, Joe Friday's partner, on Dragnet?
Damn it. He's pointing at no. She already got me.
I didn't.
Now I get
It's yours?
Yeah.
Are you here for the show? Yeah. Okay. Pull up and over just a little.
I don't know if it's going to turn back on because I've been waiting and she's overheating already.
Oh. Trying to go forward.
Well, I've been trying to find a place to park. She's on H.
What a nickel that is. Way over, way over. No, way over here.
Appreciate it.
Looks nice.
Thank you.
How long have you owned it, sir?
I bought it brand new.
Brand new.
Custom ordered this
And
truck brand new.
And it came without motor. Well, that's
don't
pretty
go there.
cool.
That's the fourth motor and
The
transmission.
fourth.
It's got
Oh my
600,000. I'm the original. I said I can vouch for that. This is the fourth motor and transmission.
Oh my gosh. Now, when did you install this one?
The builder and I have a close friend that's really responsible for most of this, but we finished it about 4 months ago. But this
After
is
starting it how many months ago?
17 months. 18
Oh
months
my
is what it took.
gosh. Oh, that's beautiful though.
It has that's a 2020 L96 with 390 horsepower. The original 350 was 170 horsepower.
Yeah, yeah.
It's got the 4-speed overdrive, 1 ton from the Suburban in here.
And that made it up with this?
Well, I was building it for retirement. I want to pull the travel trailer,
Oh my gosh.
and that's coming up. I'm about a year away.
Oh my goodness.
I'm going to start touring the United States. So.
Oh my goodness. You gonna do a lot of shows?
I don't really think I'm concerned with the shows. I just wanted to do this before it got scratched up. Because I'm going to use it.
Yeah,
Built it
if
to
you
use it.
do,
It's not
yeah.
It's not here to, you know. This truck's been airborne a few times, and it's
Oh
been
my
to Shiva Falls
goodness.
several times.
K5 Blazer.
Cheyenne.
Cheyenne,
The
huh?
Cheyenne package is the 2-tone paint,
Yeah.
high back buckets, carpeting, sliding side windows,
Oh
console
goodness.
between the seats.
Man,
The
look inside.
regular K5 didn't have carpeting, or the panels, the side panels. It had rubber floors.
Oh, may I look inside?
Sure.
Oh, thank you.
That's the only auto. I put the pedestal in there so we could navigate.
Yeah, yeah. Gotta do that if you're gonna pull anything these days. That is so, even smells like a new truck.
The only thing, the instrumentation panel had to be custom made because the original stuff it's not compatible with the computer
Right,
that runs everything
right.
down. It's got factory fuel injection.
Sure. Yeah, yeah. Could I? Stock tank.
Very close friend of mine did this.
Okay.
In his garage.
Oh,
That includes all the body work and fitting all of this.
oh.
The guy is phenomenal. He's just a mile away from here. Mike Quigley.
Mike Quigley,
Mike Quigley.
hats off to you.
He is amazing.
And
He's
you, sir?
absolutely amazing.
You enjoy yourself. What was your name, sir?
Mike.
Mike. Pleased to meet you, Mike. Happy trails.
Yes, sir. I hope you're enjoying them too.
Thank you so much. You want to be on YouTube? Hi! What's your name?
My name is
Oh my goodness! Your hairdo is spectacular. Did you do that yourself?
Huh?
Your hair. Who did
Your hair.
Well, let's see. We got a lot of things going on tonight.
Your mom
Registered your car.
did a
You'll go
nice
up,
job.
put a little
It was
ad.
nice talking with you.
Registration. Yes,
Bye-bye.
Where it says register cars, here's where you register your car. And if you put the thing in your windshield, why, you'll be in the running for trophies that we give away later tonight. We're not sure where they are. But anyway, well, that's what we
Myers
need to do. You need to
makes
register
really-
your vehicle. If you'd like to
I mean,
make a
really?
donation to the car show, you can do that when you register or
sorry?
anytime during the evening.
back there.
Oh, it is. Okay.
Also, we have two folks here that are running car shows and having events, and one is the Vietnam Vets, chapter number 106, and they're here tonight to my left. We're having a car show at Chewy, the 22nd and Cove, on Saturday, September 25th from 10 to 2. And you can register for that car show with them right now. Just come on up and register for it.
Who's
and
Terry
you'll be
over here?
ready to go.
Who is
For
Terry
that
over
car
here?
show, September 25th.
I got to meet the Myers
And
Manx
find out also
owner.
about NAM Jam.
Yeah, I had it,
It's gonna happen
just got it the
October
other day.
23rd
What?
at
Yeah,
Reed
46
Park.
years ago the other day.
No!
Like I said, I've seen a guy drive down, no body, just a frame, man.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Fine. So how long have you had this one?
5 years.
Man, nice job. How many windows?
21.
21. What's the max? 27? 23. I know that story. He probably took care of it. All the seats, man.
Sometimes they just say like, hey, like they're...
And then every day you just have favorite Subway. Get your veggies in, buddy.
You know what, though? Subway's not bad.
I drive it back and forth to work on the freeway and it doesn't. And it's, you can tighten the downtime on this not good. Yeah, because we still got yeah, you just kind of, the only thing you have to move is make it work.
Damn it. He's putting it on. No, she already got me.
I didn't.
Now I get
All right, it's trivia time again. It's trivia time.
Why would you let him?
All the proceeds go to the Rotary Club charity, and it also gets you admission into the car show as far as spectator admission. So come on up, get yourself a ticket. Over here to my left is the folks from the Vietnam Veterans Post number 106, and they're here to tell you about the car show they're going to have on September 25th at Chewy's at the corner of 22nd and Cove, and also the Man Jam they're going to have in Reed Park on the 23rd of October. And you can sign up for the car show, and you can find out about how to support the Vietnam Veterans Chapter 106. Come on up and talk to them. They're right here to my left.
Thank you.
And enjoy talking to them. And what you can do, get yourself one of the Vietnam poppies and give them a donation. So once again, that's the Vietnam Veterans of America, Chapter 106, having their 2021 car show at
Like even the last one was. This one is like
All the winners. We want a group picture of all the winners with the trophy now. Beautiful 1915 Ford Custom convertible. That's the show line. You don't fucking right here.
Down.